If you want to stay up to date with what's happening over here at D&D Sports, check us out on all our different social media. All right, D&D Sports fans, it's time to reveal what is in the mystery box. So it's still sealed here. Let's get it sliced open. Normally I do all this before, but being this is a mystery box, oh boy, it is full of packing peanuts. Well, maybe not so bad. I can start seeing some color in the packaging there. So let's reveal it. Oh yes, D&D Sports fans, this is my first Tamiya order. I don't think any one of you guys guessed that this would be a VW Volkswagen van. Isn't that cool? There's also another product in here. I told you there was two. So let's pull the VW van out. I'm going to try keeping all these peanuts and stuff in the box. I'm going to pull the VW van out, and then we'll kind of move the stuff aside, and we'll see what the other product is. All right, guys, I kept it covered as much as possible. I had to tip it up a little bit, but let's slowly reveal. Can you make it out yet? In the glare of the light. Come on. Well, there's a hint right there. And there it is, guys, the Monster Beetle, but this is the black edition. So this is the limited edition. It's going to be the same Monster Beetle, but it's going to have the black body instead of the red body. So let me move the box out and we'll get a little closer look at both of these products. All right, guys, so here they are. The first two Tamiya, it's said all different ways, but these are the first two products that we have ever got in our store from them. So here's the first one, the Black Edition Monster Beetle, and the second one is the VW van. Now this includes the pre-painted body. I am terrible at painting, and my plan is I'm going to put this one together myself. Absolutely terrible at painting, so I'm going to build it with the pre-painted body. All right, guys, so I know this might shock some of you out there, but I'm sure in future videos you're going to see more and more of their products showing up on our channel. All right, D&D Sports fans, starting off the week, this is the lost order from Friday. It finally arrived on Monday. We'll start with the little box. You can see it's got the battery warning on the side of it. And what that is going to be is a completer pack. So what you get in this completer pack is one of the dual chargers and two 5,000 milliamp 3-cell LiPo packs. All right, and then we have this box, which looks like it's going to be, here's a body. There is some chassis rails from the TRX6 and all kind of parts. So let's dump those out and we'll move on to the big box. All right, guys, in the last box we have for this order is, I can see a Rustler 4x4 VXL. Looks like the red edition so far in the box. Looks like we have a Valentino Rossi Rally. Something else down there. Stampede kit. All right, we'll pull all this out and check it all out. All right, guys, so here's everything out of the box. We got a red, yellow, blue Rustler 4x4 VXL. We got one Rally VR46. A E-Revo, the green and blue body. Stampede 4x4, the unassembled kit with the electronics. And the battery and charger completer pack 3S. New on the table this week. This gear for the Max, this 8933, and the shock caps for the Max. They are part number 8964, and of course letters TX, G, and R, I believe it is. We got some more of the A-arms, upper and lower, in the orange. Another white roof skid plate. And the rest is all just restock on parts that we've had. 6494 is a gear that is used in the Max. 2515, there's two of those. Those are TRX4 body supports. And some more of the 8897. Those are the two rock lights for the TRX6. All right, guys, that is it for today. Wednesday, I got one more box, and I do believe there's another one on Thursday. All right, here it is, Tuesday evening, and we got one box today. And in here so far, looks like there is a TRX4. Probably the Bronco. There's something else down on the bottom, but I'm not sure what it is. Let's pull it all out and see. All right, guys, that is all that was in the box. We had a Sunset Bronco and a red K5 Blazer. I think this is actually part of the order that is scheduled to be delivered tomorrow, but we'll have to wait and see. And in here was also three parts. 8215 TRX4 body mount kits, 8930R lower A-arms for the Max in the red, and 8118 is actually a tire carrier for the back of the Bronco, the TRX4 Bronco. Alright guys, let's see what tomorrow brings. Alright guys, today is Wednesday. We have one more order scheduled for Friday, but the way UPS has been going, I've been getting these orders late, so that is going to be on next week's order. But today we got three boxes. Let's open this first one up. And it looks like it's going to be a 4x4 Rustler VXL. Let's move that one aside. Back here we have a clear box, or yeah, clear body. And that is for a E-Revo. Looks like there might be a bag full of parts. Alright, and in the big box, hopefully we got a couple trucks. Stock's running kind of low. Alright guys, I laid this one on its side so it was easier to see. So there's a 1/16 E-Revo. There is a Ford Raptor back there. Looks like we have a orange Max body. And there is a Rustler 4x4. So let's pull everything out and set it on the table and check it all out. Alright guys, so here it is. Wraps up the week of what's new in the RC shop. On top we got a red Rustler 4x4. Underneath that we got the green and blue Rustler 4x4 VXL. E-Revo body, orange Max, and the Ford Raptor 1/16 E-Revo. New parts, actually. Didn't realize I didn't have them, but these are the upper and lower A-arms for the X-Max. Lower right and left, uppers are the same. And the rest I think is restock parts. This is the grill for the Mercedes. We got a couple grills for the Chevy Blazer in. And some more of the 8930, the orange, the lower A-arms for the Max. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. And thanks everyone for participating in the 12 Days of Christmas. We got about a week left to make your comments and wrap that up. And we'll be giving that away real shortly. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button. Turn on that bell to get notified anytime we release new videos. Thanks for watching.